Hello, my name is Pierrick Lebrun, also known as Monsieur Ballon, and I've been a balloon artist for the last 25 years. And today, I'm very happy to present to you my online balloon twisting course for beginners. In this course, you will be able to review many of the skills that I shared with you in my free ebook. These techniques are very important, and I want to make sure you really master them before going any further. You will also have the opportunity to learn how to make some brand new balloon animals that I have not published anywhere else. So, if you already have subscribed to the course, let's get started!